So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to back up SafePal Wallet. So the first thing you want to do is in order to back up your wallet, you'll need to write down your 12 to 24 word seed phrase on a paper or sync it to your iCloud or Google Drive. So you'll need to have that mnemonic phrase. So ensure that you carefully copy your 12, 18 or 24 words in order on some physical piece of paper and store it in a secure offline location. So once you've gone to your settings, you can see your security, which is going to be that specific pattern that's needed for you to be backed up. A lot of the times when you open up your account, it's going to be telling you that you need to back up your wallet, that it isn't secure enough, stuff like that. So in order to actually make it more secure, you will need to add that specific code or phrase that's going to be on here to be added to your wallet, so you don't have to worry about the wallet not being backed up enough. So just start with that through your settings. So as I mentioned before, even when you're unlocking your wallet, you're going to be given that opportunity. So just choose it on there. And once you gotten that, you're no longer going to be worrying about your wallet not being secure enough. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on SafePal Wallet or some other topics you might find interesting as well. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.